Welcome to another episode of Why Gateio. As we all know, meme coins have been trending for the past few years, and Gateio is the best place to buy or sell vetted meme coin projects. Why should you trade meme coins on Gateio? Gateio has a total 24-hour trading volume of over $3 billion and has suffered zero hack attacks, has a 24-hour support system, and always conducts enough KYC on all listed meme coins. Would you like to get some meme coins on your portfolio? Here is a list of meme coins you can trade on Gateio today. Dogecoin, Saitama, Shiba Inu, Kuma Inu, FLOKI Inu, Kishu Inu. Would you like to get started on Gateio? Use the referral link in the description box below to get rebates on your trading fees. See you in our next episode. Gateio, best exchange for meme coins.